Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Create your new Gmail account using a desktop or laptop web browser only. This often presents fewer mandatory phone prompts than mobile apps do. Use an incognito window to ensure a clean session and avoid cached settings influencing prompts. Enter your name, username, and strong password as usual. When the form asks for recovery options, focus on the recovery email field before any phone entry. Confirm your age, as at least 13 years old, to comply with Google account policies. Provide a valid recovery email during creation to reduce the need for phone verification. Choose a recovery address you already control and can access immediately for verification codes. Google uses recovery email as a trustworthy secondary contact method in many regions and situations. After entering the recovery email, complete the remaining fields and follow on-screen prompts. If the form accepts the recovery email without requiring a phone, continue through the verification steps using the email confirmation link or code. Keep that recovery email current for accounts. If you have access to an institutional Google Workspace or education account, register through that organization to avoid personal mobile verification. Organizations often provision accounts without requiring personal phone numbers. Alternatively, if Google requests a phone number for verification, provide a landline and choose voice call verification when available. Answer the landline to receive the numeric code and enter it to confirm the account. After verification, immediately add a recovery email and enable two-step verification using an authenticator app for long-term security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.